up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna be cooking eggs in the dark. And I'm sorry, I made some off camera, but I'll make more. Even though I told my cousin I was gonna only make one, but like one more. Sorry if it is so dark, but you know, I like darkness. And sorry, I cooked some off screen, but I can. Yeah, that's my egg right now. Zanzoa! Also, don't blame me if I burned house. Don't blame me if I burned the house down. But it's my very first time making a cooking video, so I wish my face can be in it. Better camera look. Sorry guys, you can barely see the egg. You can take a close, better look at the egg. Look at that yummy shit. Salt and pepper. Yeah, salt and pepper. Let's get it. So what we do is we pop the egg yolk first. We pop that little yellow thing first. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Pop, 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 pop. Yes, sir. Then we just roll it up. I mean, let's let that cook, you know? So, let's just do something, you know? Do some fun things. Add it to our egg collection. Dude, fix all this. Clap it up for your boy. Look at my plate, guys. I feel like I'm about to barf. See you all later.